Welcome again. I am Manvind Yadav sir from Success Point classes, and today we have 4 students, 3 girls and 1 is boy. So today we have very interesting topic, talent versus beauty, which is better to have. First of all, everybody give your short introduction on the topic, then put your views. And one line I want to say, one line about this topic. If God has appeared before you, if God has appeared before you and God is telling, what do you want, beauty or talent? So what would you like to take? Yes, Sanjana, first give your short introduction.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, friends. I am Sanjana Padavati. I am from Jhansi. I am doing my BSc from BBC Degree College. And thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity to discuss over the topic. The topic is beauty versus talent.
Okay.
Good morning, friends. My name is Akansha Senga. I study in 3rd standard. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity. Today's topic is beauty versus talent. Thank you. Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. My name is Aisman Yadav. I study in 3rd standard. Thank you, sir, for giving me a wonderful opportunity. My topic is beauty versus talent.
Good morning, sir. My name is Barsha Rajput, and first of all, I would like thank you for giving me nice opportunity, wonderful nice opportunity. And my topic is talent versus beauty. Thank you.
Okay, so very good. You all have given your very nice introduction. Now I expect to everyone, you put your views. And I have asked a question. If God has appeared before you and God is telling, what would you like to take? So please, Sanjana, put your views.
Sir, I think,
Yes, please hold it.
according to me, beauty is more important with talent because here is many type of beauty. Yes, beauty of mind, beauty of thinking, and beauty of feelings. So, beauty is more important.
Okay.
According to me, talent is very important because when we give a interview to get job, then our talent degree is required in that time. Thank you. According to me, talent is more important than the beauty, but talent is with us death.
I think talent is more important than beauty. Than beauty, talent is get job and interview, get a job and interview. Thank you.
Okay, so Sanjana, you are in favor of beauty. So put your more views. Give some examples.
Sir, as only I did not say that only beauty of face is important. Beauty of hearts is also important because a beautiful heart can win the millions of hearts. But in this time, here is many people have talent, but they have not beauty of heart. So their talent is waste if they have not beauty of heart. So beauty of heart is very important. Thank you.
Okay. No, I want to know something about beauty. Beautiful. If somebody has beautiful face, so and he has no talent, so beauty will work. Beauty will work everywhere, or talent will work everywhere.
Sir, if beauty will work everywhere, so it is fortunate, but talent is definitely work everywhere.
So you are in favor of beauty, but you are in favor of beauty.
Yes, I am in favor of beauty, but talent is also important.
Okay, talent is also important. Yes, Akansha.
According to me, talent is good because you see Chinese people, they have not beauty but they have talent. So many people have only beauty, so they can't do anything good in our life. So I think talent is good.
Okay.
According to me, talent is more important than beauty. Beauty go after some age, but talent is always with us.
I think talent is more important. Talent, they are Chinese people. Chinese people are not beauty but talent. Talent is compulsory and not beauty. Beauty then only marriage only thing.
Okay, so I think guys you have not prepared the topic well, and you don't have good examples. You don't have more and more examples about talent and beauty. So now I ask a question. You have seen so many people. You have seen so many actor and actress. If we talk about actor, they are very smart. They are very handsome, but they have not talent. And also actress, they are beautiful, but they have no talent. So they are not as successful as the talented actor and actress. So talent is required here. If we talk about in film industries and receptionist job and air hostess, here is beauty is required. So what do you think about it? In film industries or air hostess job or receptionist, beauty is required or talent is required? Yes, Sanjana.
So in all fields, here is beauty is required. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, she have beauty. So will the award as Miss World.
Okay.
So here is beauty is very important
Okay.
to win this.
First impression is the last impression. Whenever we go outside, people don't see talent. Whenever we meet somebody, people see the face. Or by seeing face, they judge. Now, put your views again. Yes. Don't be nervous.
If we go outside, then here is many people see our face. So first impression is last impression. So here is beauty is important. And they did not see our talent in first time. They see only our face. So they judge only our beauty. So first impression is last impression.
Okay. Yes, Akanksha.
Good morning, friends. According to me, talent is good. For example, your teacher say please operate a computer. So you have talent, so you operate a computer, and you have not talent, so you can't operate a computer. So I think talent is good. According to me, talent is more important than beauty. For example, suppose you can go any interview, they have told operate the computer. Your beauty is not operate the computer. Your talent is operate the computer. Why will your talent?
Okay. And give any other example also.
Narendra Modi is also talented person. Nelson Mandela are also talented person.
Okay, so very good, Ayushman. You have given very nice example. Narendra Modi and Nelson Mandela, both are really talented person. That's why they became famous in all over the world. Yes, Barsap. Now put your views.
I think talent is more important than beauty. Example, Nana Patekar and Johnny Lever, and then talented person.
Yeah, very good.
A talented person, and beauty is not matter, but talent is very important.
Okay, very nice. Very good, Varsha Rajput. You have given very nice example of those personality who got success only by talent, not beauty and not smartness. As Nana Patekar and Johnny Lever, they are not very handsome, but they became famous in all over the world. Everybody knows him, everybody knows them well because they have talent, and they proved that if somebody has talent, we can do anything what we want. And Ayushman, also your example is really very good. Narendra Modi and Nelson Mandela, they are really very talented. So Narendra Modi is ruling in our country, and Nelson Mandela became famous in all over the world. Now I would like to say, everybody has given you 100% in this group discussion, and that is very nice group discussion topic, very interesting group discussion topic. Now I conclude the topic, and I want to say few lines about the topic. So if we talk about film industries, then beauty is required. If we talk about in film industries, beauty is required. And for the job, receptionist job, as Sanjana described about receptionist job and air hostess also, here beauty is required, but in many other fields, beauty is not required. Talent is required. Without talent, people can't achieve anything. For achieving anything or for getting success in life, we need talent. If we talk about civil services, if somebody wants to become an IS and IPS officer, so here talent is required, not beauty is not required. Okay? But if somebody has talent and beauty, both, then that is the blessing of God. That is the blessing of God if somebody has both. And I think beauty and talent go parallel. So thank you so much, guys. And this is very nice, very interesting discussion which I have done with you. Now I want to tell our viewers who are watching our video, who are watching our group discussion. So thank you so much.